big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be
back at it. Got that Old Bay butter up chicken. Got the cutlets, and I got a bag. So let's open the bag. What we got here? Open up, man. All right. You got some green onions. All right. Some green beans. Yes, sir. Got them green beans. Here. Got some more green onions. Okay. Yeah, those are green onions. Some sour cream. Got some Old Bay seasoning, because it is an Old Bay buttered chicken. Got them taters. I don't normally peel my taters. There you go. There you go. And hot sauce. And what is this? Oops, upside down. Chicken stock. All right, cool. What else? Uh-oh. All right, got a garlic, and we got carrots. And then a potato. That's okay. Cool. So the good thing about the carrots, they are firm. And they're in a bag. Maybe they took a lesson off our home chef, but yeah. They are good to go. Awesome, I'm impressed. All right, well, let's go ahead and get this guy started. All right, guys, here we go. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna prep our veggies. We're gonna take the green onions, and we're gonna basically separate the white from the green, and do the potatoes. We're gonna slice up the carrots, and I got garlic, and we can slice up as well too. So I'm going to get this done, and we'll come right back. Let's start with the potatoes. I normally don't take, since these so thin, I don't peel my potatoes. They say they want you to, they suggest you to do that, but I don't see need for that. We're making mashed potatoes out of these red potatoes, so it should give it a little bit more color as well too. These guys all diced up. Try keeping the same size as well too. The same size, and that way they'll cook evenly, and leave them there for like 15 to 20 minutes in the boiling water, and it should be good to go. All right, just use your judgment, eyeball it, and you should be okay. Should be okay. All right, let me go ahead and finish these guys up. All right, then we got a carrot. The way the picture looks, they want us to just take off the ends, cut it in half. These are much better carrots. Much better carrots. Cut them in half, more or less in strips. More or less in strips. More or less in strips. Yeah, like little carrot sticks. Okay. I believe this was wrong. The strip. Okay. I really don't need all these carrots right now, so I won't make. Well, maybe I'll do it. I'll eat them later. Got that. Make it mini strips. So basically, they're going to match the length and the style of the green beans. Basically, that's like what we're doing. Okay. Right. So those are our carrots. Minus those. For the green onions. They want us to separate the white from the green. So I'm gonna take out the roots of it. About right in here, you can see the difference. And then they want you to thinly slice. Let me slice that guy up. And then, of course, separate them. This might be a little bit more cumbersome. Let me go and get this done. We're all together. Got our potatoes, got our carrots, got our white part of our green onions, our green part of our green onions, and I went ahead and diced up the garlic as well too. So in a hot pot waiting, I got water. I got stuck there for a second. I'm going to add these to the pot, bring it to a boil on high, and bam, we're gonna be right back for that. I told you guys last time, I am not drizzling oil over the vegetables on my little pan again. So I'm going to add them to this. Make sure they're all mixed up. Get my olive oil friend right here, and hit it with that. Shake them up. Make sure they're all coated. We're gonna hit it with some pepper. Yes, sir. We're gonna hit it with some salt. Yes, sir. It's really not a lot of salt, but we'll make sure they're all coated and accounted for. Back to our veggies. We'll take that, put them in our little sheet pan. That's beautiful. Spread them all out. They're all nice and coated, as you see by the glistening of the veggies. So yeah, this is an easier way to do it. So I say you guys follow your instructions, but you guys know how to cook. All right, so with this guy goes into the oven. And we are going to take the Old Bay seasoning and season the chicken. Get that in, there we go. It's all nice and seasoned. You're gonna season both sides. What I'm gonna do, I might be okay with flipping it. Let me see. Let's see here. I'm gonna use my hand. My chicken is. You can't touch everything after you. There we go. That'll work. So this is straight cooking right here, man. I don't have all those fancy tools. I don't know what we just do, but just flip it. That'll work. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Yeah. And bring it over. And we're gonna add them to the skillet. Let me make sure the oil is on here right. So 3 to 5 minutes for both sides, 2 sides. Be careful. Just got a fork, huh, guys? You know what? It is what it is. Bam. There we go. There we go. There we go. Down to medium heat. And well, I got some salted butter. I'm gonna add Old Bay seasoning to the butter. This is gonna be the Old Bay butter. And a little hot sauce. Shula. A little hot sauce. Get all out that little pack. This is some good hot sauce. I used to have this all the time in my cabinet, but and then you stir. This is the Old Bay butter. And this will go on top of the chicken when the chicken is finished at the very end. All right, that's it. Old Bay butter. Chicken, and now you can add some more Old Bay if you wanted to, but I think I'm good. I think this Old Bay butter and the rest of these spices, seasonings is gonna be fine. Chicken is ready, so I got the chicken over there. Then they want us to put the whites of the scallions back in the little pan. And they want us to go for like a minute and soften them up a little bit. Right, so let that happen. And then we're gonna add something to it. Forgot all about these guys in here. I surely did. I forgot all about them, so here we are, guys. We done. They want us to add the stock concentrate now, 1/4 cup of water. I don't know. It's some type of sauce that goes over the chicken. I don't think it's necessary, to be very honest with you. But let's just go with the flow. All right, so yeah, I don't know about this, but I'm gonna let it see if it thickens up, and we'll go from there. Heat, and add in this butter and let it sit. Doesn't smell bad at all. I mean, I may have put too much water in it, but we'll see. All right, so let that do what it's gonna do. A little sauce. Okay. Not bad. A little sauce. Potatoes, sour cream. So there's a lot of moving parts in this. I think because I'm at the garlic, because I'm actually reading the directions. Add your butter. You mix and mash it. If you have a masher, just use whatever you use to mix and mash your potatoes. So I'm going to get these guys all mixed up. Plating up, I got my vegetables here. Potatoes right here. Put them on here. Yes, sir. Get this guy's down. We'll go ahead and grab our chicken. I'm gonna try to grab the chicken. There we go. Got the chicken right here. Nice and juicy. There we go. Chicken in place. We'll take the green it up. You want to put green all over it. Okay, which is fine. This is a bit of a garnish. Okay. All right. And last but not least, they wanted us to make some Old Bay butter. So I looked at the picture and it had it nice and shapely. I don't have all those shapes. I mean, I need to get some more stuff. So actually, I think I'm gonna do this first because we forgot about this concoction they made us make. And this is the pan sauce. Bring the pan sauce over here. Just being totally transparent with you guys. Let me grab a spoon. Okay, the question stuff. So, all right. Take some of this pan sauce. You say put it over the chicken. Put it over the chicken. All right. Then we're gonna take that and that right in the middle of the chicken. Sees it? You sees it? I don't think that looks too bad. This is theirs, mine. Theirs, mine. Theirs, mine. Don't mind my vegetables. They was in there a little bit too long, but it actually tastes better though. Yeah. All right. Well, cool. Cool. Here we go. Let's taste it. Our Old Bay buttered up chicken. So let's taste this, guys. See what the deal is. Of course, there's my veggies and them taters. All right. Dip it in that butter. See how it tastes. See what we got. It's good. It actually changed the taste of the chicken. That breast gave me a bomb. Very tender. Look at that. Very tender breast. Yeah, butter's still on it too. Just cut it with a fork. Even though I'm right-handed, using my left-handed, my left hand. But it came right off. With all that juice. It's good. It's good. All right. I think I talked enough this video. But Meal so far, I like it. Very simple. I mean, you just got a chicken breast, cutlet, tender, cook it 3.5, 5 minutes on each side, flip it, obey. Do mashed potatoes. You know how to do mashed potatoes. Boil water, throw potatoes in it, and season it. And of course, with the veggies, slice them up, and throw them in the oven on 425 to roast them. That's about it. So, I pray you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for rocking with your boy. I really appreciate it. I pray you guys continue to do well, continue to chase your dreams, or whatever it may be. Whatever that thing is, I say go for it. Don't waste time. I think I wasted a lot of time doing things that I should not have been doing. But the flip side of that, I didn't have the wisdom to go after the things that I should have been going after. So, and now I do. And I'm going for it. So, love you guys. I'll see you guys next video.